One of ATC's core building philosophies is that there's no wood in our trailer and it's a full aluminum design. That same philosophy holds true in our cabinets as well. Our cabinets are made out of, I brought a sample along here, of aluminum skins that are folded over, and it has an insulated interior to help provide the strength and the form. It also has a nice stainless steel latch on the door, and what that does is it gives a positive enclosure so that even when you're driving down the washboard roads and things are banging against your door, it's not going to open. And with the way that we go ahead and construct our full tube constructed frame, and you tie the whole cabinet in, it gives you unparalleled strength. Where if you do that with a competitor's cabinets, you're probably going to have a set of cabinets in your hand. But with the way that we do this, the strength is absolutely unparalleled. And then another thing that we recently started focusing on as well too is the appearance, the look of our cabinets. And so recently we switched over to a European-inspired cabinet where all you see is the square corners on it that doesn't have all of the aluminum trims and things like that. It looks like a well-built residential home that you would find maybe at your house. Anyway, the cabinets have been a huge selling point for ATC, and they are certainly developed for years and years of rugged use.